Title: Choosing the best cooking oil for your health. Cooking oils are a staple in every kitchen, but not all oils are created equal. Let's explore which oils are best for your health. Extra virgin olive oil is a top choice. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, it's perfect for low to medium heat cooking and salads. Avocado oil is another great option. It has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high heat cooking like frying or roasting, and it's rich in healthy fats. Coconut oil contains medium chain triglycerides, which provide quick energy. Use it sparingly, though. It's high in saturated fat. Sunflower oil is good for frying due to its high smoke point, but it's high in omega-6 fats, which can cause inflammation if consumed in excess. Butter and ghee add flavor, but are high in saturated fats. Use them occasionally for special dishes. The best oil depends on your cooking method and health goals. For everyday use, stick to oils rich in unsaturated fats like olive or avocado oil. Choose wisely, cook healthily, and enjoy your meals.